Good morning guys, my name is Radhanathananda and I am an M1 graduate and you are watching my channel Radhanathananda M5N, and today I am going to tell about the brief discussion of HPLC. HPLC stands for High Performance Liquid Chromatography and it is mostly used in pharmaceutical industries, chemical industries, etc. and used to identify, separate and quantify the samples in a mixture. It is an analytical technique used to identify, quantify and separates the sample in a mixture. The mixture is maybe biological mixtures or pharmaceutical mixtures, etc. HPLC is of two types. One is normal phase HPLC and another is reverse phase HPLC. In normal phase HPLC, the stationary phase is polar, and in reverse phase HPLC, the stationary phase is non-polar. HPLC based on two type of principles. One is adsorption and another is partition. Now we are going to the application of HPLC. HPLC mostly used in various pharmaceutical industries or various environmental analysis or in food analysis also. In pharmaceutical industries, HPLC are used to separate various drug mixtures or various pharmaceutical mixtures, or in environmental analysis used to detect pesticides and separate impurities and profiling of impurity and also heavy metals detection, and in food analysis various type of carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals can be detected through HPLC. Now we are going to the instrumentation part. In instrumentation part, first is come solvent reservoir. Solvent reservoir stores the solvent. The solvents are maybe organic or inorganic. The organic solvents mostly use acetonitrile, HPLC grade water, and these are very costly solvents, HPLC grade methanol also. And in degasser, it was to remove the trapped water bubbles or trapped air bubbles from the solvent because the trapped air bubbles and trapped water bubbles may affect the HPLC inside the column. So it is good to remove through degasser. Then pump, it provides the pressure around 5 to 10,000 psi. That is force per inch, and it provides that much pressure due to better separation in short of time. And injector is of two types or three types maybe. In a septum injector, septumless, and autosampler. In industries, mostly used autosampler, and in our academic sessions, septum injectors are used, and it mostly inject through Riordan injector or a Hamilton syringe, which has a capacity about 20 microliter. Then inject about 20 microliter, and next is the column. Column is the main heart of the HPLC or important part of the HPLC, and according to the types of HPLC, the column has changes. In normal phase HPLC, mostly polar columns are used, and in reverse phase HPLC, non-polar columns are used. And non-polar columns are mostly ODS octadecyl silanes and C18, C8 mostly used. And then after column, we go to the detector. Detector, when the eluted material comes towards the column, and it go to the detector for detection. Various type of detector are used in HPLC. That is LCMS, that is used in mass spectroscopy for ionization detection, and we also use PDA detector, that is photodiode array, and also UV detector we can use. And various type of detectors are used in HPLC. After detector, we go to the recorder. Recorder shows the peak of the HPLC according to its retention time. And this is all about the instrumentation part of HPLC. And now we are going to the advantages. Advantages of HPLC. I already told you what are the advantages of HPLC. HPLC are first advantage, better separation in shorter time. HPLC helps in our consuming the time and separates better in very short period of time, and this shows the high resolution. High resolution means clarity, good clarity. High resolution means it gives the perfect shape of the peak, the perfect separation, perfect identification, and it can identify every trace or tiny material from a mixture. And due to this, we can identify the impurities. Very small impurities may be present in our mixtures, and it is compatible with very much, compatible with all the detectors, with most of the detectors. That means we can join the UV detector, we can allow the fluorescence detector, we can allow the mass spectroscopy detector. It can bind with HPLC and detect the trace materials. Now we are talking about the disadvantages of HPLC. First one is high cost. HPLC is a very costly instrument, and the solvents we are used are also very costly. And the organic solvents we are using acetonitrile, HPLC grade water. They are in market price is very high, and that is the most disadvantage. And the other disadvantages are HPLC is very complex instrument. So complexity in skills. We need more skills to handling the instrument. If you go to industries, you can see that very much techniques are used and very much skills are required to handling the HPLC instruments. And one of the most disadvantages is the diluted material has no further use. Diluted material has no use. The diluted material comes out from the detector that cannot be used for further analysis. And this video is not much required for the students who want to learn about HPLC. It's only for exam view, and you can get 5 to 10 marks if you understand this video. And if you are starting before the exam, this is also helpful to you. And I create the next video of HPLC, that is about the 2 to 3 hours, I think. And HPLC is a very big chapter, so in my next video I will give detail about HPLC and HPLC solvents, HPLC columns, and HPLC detectors, and many more about HPLC, how to operate HPLC, how to operate HPLC software with SOP of HPLC, which made you easy to learn HPLC very quickly. And I am starting this video, so it is much more little difficult me to explain you. Hope you will understand and enjoying the video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.